Hello, these are two cars to be assembled. You can guess what kind of car does it look like? We need to find a seat block. This is yellow. The body of the car is blue. Find its tipper.
Oh no!
It doesn't seem to install properly. Oh, it needs a connector. Its color is black. Now, let's try to connect. It looks perfect. Next, let's look at another car. What kind of car is this? Yeah, this is an excavator. Let's look for its mechanical arm. Wow, this is its shovel. We connect the shovel to the mechanical arm. It looks good. This is an engineer in red hat. This hat is red. We put it in the cockpit. Feel little less. Oh, the wheels were forgotten. Find out where the wheels are. You can see that it has 4 wheels. Put it on the bottom of the excavator. It looks perfect. This is an engineer in an orange hat. This hat is orange. We put the little engineer in the cockpit of the truck. This is a lamp. Install it on the excavator. That is so cool. This is a road sign. It is used as a construction intersection to prevent pedestrians from approaching.